Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Today Diving. Today's video is about Gracie, a stylish digital creator known for her fashion content, elegant lifestyle, and growing social media presence. Gracie has gained attention through her unique fashion choices and confident personality. Her content often highlights stylish outfits, modern trends, and an elegant lifestyle that connects with followers around the world. Known for her timeless beauty and sophisticated appearance, Gracie inspires many people who enjoy fashion and creative styling. Her looks often include classy dresses, stylish leggings, stockings-inspired fashion trends, and carefully selected accessories that create a complete and polished appearance. Beyond fashion, Gracie's content reflects confidence, creativity, and self-expression. Through social media, she shares moments from daily life, style inspiration, and visual storytelling that attract audiences interested in modern lifestyle content. Her growing popularity shows how digital creators can build a strong connection with viewers through consistency and originality. Many followers enjoy her ability to combine elegance with everyday fashion inspiration. Gracie's fashion style focuses on balance, keeping outfits modern while maintaining a timeless and refined look. Whether presenting casual elegance or premium style fashion, she continues to build her identity as a recognizable content creator. As an Instagram and social media personality, Gracie demonstrates how online platforms can become spaces for creativity, personal branding, and inspiration. Her journey also reminds viewers that style is not only about clothing, it is about confidence, presentation, and expressing personality in your own way. So friends, what do you think about Gracie's fashion and lifestyle content? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Today Diving for more biography videos, lifestyle stories, and fashion inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.